Hey guys, welcome back to Suji's cookbook. Today I am going to show how to make chicken curry. Let's go with ingredients. Chicken, finely chopped onions, tomatoes, mint leaves, coriander leaves, turmeric, salt, red chilli powder, ginger garlic paste, garam masala powder, coriander powder, zeera powder. Here I don't have coconut, that's why I am using this coconut milk. Let's go with marination procedure. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 2 teaspoons of salt and red chilli powder. Red chilli powder as per your taste. If you want spicy, you can add more, or else you can add 2 tablespoons. Mix all the ingredients well. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Now all transfer this chicken into a pressure cooker. Let it cook for until 3 whistles. Let's go with cooking procedure. Take a pan, add 3 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add onions, fry this well. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mint leaves, half a teaspoon of turmeric, two teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of zeera powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, mix all the ingredients well. Now I am adding finely chopped tomatoes. Mix this well. Now I am adding this chicken broth. Cover it with a lid and cook it for few minutes. Now I am adding this coconut milk. Add this boiled chicken. Mix it well. Now reduce the flame and cover it with a lid. And finally I am adding garam masala powder. Mix this well. And sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now cover it with a lid for few minutes. And transfer this into a serving bowl. Yummy chicken curry is ready. If you like my video, please like and comment below and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.